Hello friends. After explaining career-sure objectives and the unique features, now I would like to explain about the career-sure model. You must have thorough knowledge about this model. In order to make it more pragmatic, we have divided into three phases. The first phase is compatibility test, second phase is eligibility test, third phase is finishing program. Totally, this is scheduled for 120 days. If you are a full time student means you have to understand that not 24 hours, one third of it, actually average daily 8 quality hours if you are able to work. That means quality hours, 8 hours also not at a stretch. You have to plan it according. Brain at a time cannot absorb all the elements. That's why, for example, morning 7 to 9, thereafter 11 to 1, thereafter 3 to 5, thereafter 8 to 10. Like that, you can schedule it. You have to learn things layer by layer. You must give proper pause to the brain. You should not dump it. That you have to understand that. You should be very pragmatic. That point you must remember. And that's why we have divided into three phases. And here I explain the underlying purpose of each phase and what are the contents in that phase. I will explain. Thereafter, you can proceed. The first one is compatibility test. Actually, we are focusing on imparting employability. Employability means knowledge, skills, and abilities of a graduate which are expected by the IT industry. That is the basic purpose of this. Actually, majority students are IT career aspirants, but they are not able to realize that dream. So first thing is they must tune up to this environment. This is career oriented study, which is totally different from college oriented studies. College oriented studies are examination and marks are the parameters. Here we focus on crystallization of knowledge, transforming knowledge into skills and abilities. That point you have to understand. So here the system as well as implementation are totally different from college oriented studies. That you must understand first and without wasting your time. Thereafter, you must test yourself, test and trust. Test yourself whether you are compatible with this environment or not. Basic compatibility test, just a matter of 2 days. So, 2 days, if you devote on this fully, you can understand practically and experience what are the career oriented or programming studies which are expected by the IT industry. Now, here the first one is compatibility test. We earmarked 2 days. For this purpose, we are providing a zero based C basic projects. Actually, this is the first project in the Weekend Wonder Workshop. Actually, Weekend Wonder Workshop series are there. Just you can go through that. In that, this is made as the first one. It is C1. This is purely zero based. We don't expect any background. If you never study any programming languages also, you can study this just 2 days. You study everything. It is divided into 8 modules, and you study concepts. Thereafter, you work out the corresponding programs. Finally, you will be in a position to write zero based basic C projects. With this, practically you can experience it. This is not a theoretical explanation or description about the programming studies. By theoretical descriptions, you get some abstract thing. It may not be useful. That's why we are providing this. In this context, one very important thing you must grasp: aspiration. Many people aspire different things, but aspiration is like a defining a destination. It is not everything. You must remember that. Simply defining destination you cannot reach. That is an essential prerequisite, but it is not everything. So here that point you have to understand. Because of this compatibility test, okay, you define the destination. Your aspiration is to become a software programmer. That is clearly defined. So you must understand how the programming studies, what are the intricacies in that, you must understand practically. For that, your investment is only 2 days of your endeavor that you make, you understand. With this, if you are successful in that, I am very sure if you have a strong desire and if you have a determination, definitely you will be successful. And not only becoming achieving success, you can understand many things out of that. Here I don't want to list out all the benefits. One great important benefit is you can understand your capability, what you can achieve, what you can study within 2 days and achieve things, uh, that you can understand. That means you can, you will have an opportunity to know about yourself. That's a great privilege for you. So if you pass this, then you think of the second phase. Actually we are recommending 2 days. You try to complete that. If you want to take more days, that is up to you. And after completion of this, you realize yourself whether to continue or not. I don't want to talk anything negatively. Don't do this and all that. So if you pass this, you can comfortably and confidently go ahead for the second phase. If you do not pass, that is up to you. I am leaving it up to you and all that. You think of yourself and proceed. And number two, STET, software career eligibility test. Simply understanding compatibility, you, you cannot proceed. You cannot take it as granted. You will be eligible for these studies. Eligibility means a substantial part you have to make. So you have to study a substantial part. For that purpose, actually, we have horizontally dissected. Suppose this is our finishing placement program. In this, 20% we dissected. Actually, in these 4 parts are there. 20% we have dissected and providing it as a basic finishing program for the software career eligibility test. We are earmarking 18 days for this. Actually, the 2 days also, this whatever you study will be part of this. Actually, this is totally 20 days. So already you are studying certain parts here. That will be part. This is the subset of this. That's why we are earmarking 8 days, 18 days. Actually, why days? You may get it out. Tomorrow, if you get an IT career, many things you have to perform in a time frame. Not only having knowledge and capabilities, you must perform it within the time frame. If you promise something to the client, you must deliver it on the agreed date. Otherwise, your goodwill is discounted. You may search for another programmer, another consultant. That point always you remember. That's why this is career oriented study. That's why you must accustom to uh, time frame programs. So these are very very reasonable lenient schedules. No, it is not a very strict schedule and all that, but your determination, commitment, and hard work are very much required to complete this. So we have earmarked 18 days for that. In this, we test all components of your knowledge which are required for the employability. Simply testing one component, there is no use. So we have to test all segments of the subject. Then only it will be pragmatic. That's why the final test is STET, that you have to pass. But before that, we are providing you complete preparation and unit test module test. Thereafter, after preparation of all these four elements, you can write the sketch. And now I will explain about these four components briefly. And one more thing you must remember, all these components are provided through LMS. Because of LMS, Ekalavya Learning Management System, you can manage your study. How to manage your study and monitor it, complete it within the within the scheduled period. You can not only understanding, you can accustom to that. That is the greatest advantage. So for each study unit, we are going to provide you three elements. The first one is video lecture. Based on 1 hour video lecture only, we created a study unit. So watch the lecture. Watching lecture means nothing but attending a classroom. Thereafter, we are providing unit wise e-book downloading facility. You can download the material, and if you take printout, that is good, because whenever I am explaining programs and all that, if you have the hard copy on hand, you can derive more benefit. Because my limitation is, if a 50 lines program is there, I cannot write each and every bit of the program here. So here only crucial statements I write. But for you, each and every bit of the code is very important, being a beginner, being a learner. So that's why I advise you take a printout of the ebook unit wise. Okay, so thereafter wrap. First watch, thereafter read and practice. Practice with this wrap. You can consolidate your knowledge. Immediately after that, you write the unit test. Then and there, you can test your knowledge. What is the great advantage? Test and trust. Without testing, how you can trust? Simple electronic equipment, if you purchase, you test it thoroughly. After that, you purchase that. Otherwise, after purchasing, if you test it, any defect is there, you can return it. Here, the matter of career, without testing your capabilities, your knowledge, skills, and all that, how can you proceed? That's why this approach we are following is the eligibility. First one is computer and programming basics. One module of 6 chapters we are providing you through LMS, and is 6 chapters. Actually, maximum 5 days period is enough for this. Strictly more than enough, very leniently. So 5 days period you can complete the 6 chapters and write the, after writing unit test, 14 unit tests are there. After that, you write the module test. Okay, that we are naming it as ECBT, Ekalavya Career Sure Basic Test. You write. This is 5 days, already I told you. Thereafter, you test your knowledge in C basics. C basics is not only theory, you work out all the programs also. So, for this purpose, one module we are providing, it consists of 5 chapters. It covers all C basics, core basics. Then, after completion of this, after completion of this, uh, actually you have to write ECCT, Ekalavya Career Sure C test. And here, actually, we are allocating, we are recommending it uh, 7 days. Actually, you may wonder, 5 chapters, 7 days. Actually, in compatibility test, first 2 chapters are almost common. That's why actually you are studying only 3 chapters here. Hmm? That is the recommended period is 7 days. Then you first you finished off. This is the core part. Hmm? Thereafter, quantitative aptitude skills. Actually, if you want to transform your knowledge into skills, you must have the quantitative aptitude skills. Because of quantitative aptitude skills, you can acquire arithmetical skills, logical skills, business intelligence, all that are very essential to become a programmer. Actually, by learning C language and all that, or any other language, for example, it is like collecting flowers, but this aptitude acts like a string. Without a string, how can you frame a garland? Every client, your prospective client, will ask for a garland, not flowers. Understand? So you must have this. Being a prospective programmer, you have this, and for this, we are providing 3 days time. Actually, one strategy is there from the beginning. You can start that daily. One topic you can study. Simple matter of 1 hour is enough. That way, a change of work. Change of work creates a recreation to you. So that's why if you start it from the beginning, that is good. Or otherwise, earmark 3 days and complete it. There are one module and 10 concepts. Okay, and after that, after completion of that, for this also through LMS we are providing concept wise test you write. Thereafter, ECQT, Ekalavya Career Sure Quantitative Test, Quantitative Skills Test you write. You write, and these are all online exams. You need not submit anything. Online test if you write and all that, it is reported to us. You can have a control. Once you register, we will maintain a track for this. Thereafter, basic C project skills. Actually, how I can talk about projects, because you are in the beginning stage. Actually, whatever knowledge you have, with the same set of knowledge, we can develop basic projects. So, here you are studying C language, and here quantitative. With this knowledge only, you can develop basic project. That too in formal manner. Here, this is not college oriented study, career oriented study. That's why whatever we do, we have to do it in industry norms. So, formal development of the project you can understand. For this purpose, one project zone we are providing, one module. In this, 10 programs, 10 programs I have explained clearly, and 10 programs of same standard I am giving as exercises, as an assignment. So, totally 10 I explain meticulously. No? Thereafter, practice is yours. Thereafter, 10 exercises I give you. You practice thoroughly, and thereafter, after completion of everything, total thing you have to take 18 days. Thereafter, you write a SCET exam. In the SCET exam, we cover all the 4 modules. The questions from all the 4 modules will come, and you have to pass that. Once you pass that and all that, you earmark, you draw a certification for you and a self certification. You are 100% competent or eligible for the software career, and your aspiration is pragmatic. You are deserved for that. Then, with this, the eligibility is complete. After completing this, you tuned up to complete career oriented studies, because you tested your compatibility here. Thereafter, 20 days you work in this environment, and you are able to understand everything formally, and then you can comfortably, you can proceed further for the finishing program, finishing placement training program. This is 100 days. 100 days. Only thing is, whatever discipline, spirit, commitment, endeavor you are maintaining, the same should be continued for another 100 days. In this, what we are covering, we are providing an integrated program of C, C++, and core Java for C, ECCP, for C++, ECCPP, and core Java, ECJP. These are our Ekalavya certifications using international standards. After completion of these courses, and you write these certifications, this is called 133 program, means one course, 3 languages, C, C++, and core Java, and 3 certifications. These are Ekalavya certifications. Actually, because of this integration, you can save 40% of the time. Suppose if you study them individually, if you require each language 100 units, total 300 units are required. So, with this, with the integration, you can complete below 200 units, and you can derive n number of benefits. At a time, you can master 3 languages and 3 certifications also. Elsewhere, I explained about 133 program. You can go through that thoroughly. Thereafter, quantitative skills. The quantitative skills, as I told you, They are very important for a prospective programmer. Here 35 concepts we are covering in 4 modules. That is also provided through LMS, and you study that, and ultimately you have to write ECQS, Eclavia Certified Quantitative Skills, that you have to write. With this, your finishing program will be over. After completion of the finishing program, if you pass all the tests, you are eligible to place your resume on our Eclavia placement platform, and it provides you lot of elevation as well as exposure before the industry, and you will be in a position to choose a rewarding software career of your choice.